I'm the king of the world. Nah, I'm just joking. I'm clowning around. How we doing this week, powerful, positive people? Welcome back to the Eric Michael Show. Are you down in the dumps with your work, head and computer screens, head just a mess, full of stress? Well, then guess what? You probably need a vacation. Now that I got your attention, I just wanted to let you know that this is a Doodly video. Have you ever seen one of these before? They're great. They hold attention, you can explain things, you can do diagrams. Very, very simple, easy to use. I absolutely love Doodly. I'm a Doodly affiliate as well, so I will put my link in the description below. But guess what? If you don't have time to fool with it, did you know that you could just book me and I can make a Doodly video for you? So if you would like a professionally made Doodly video, don't get boggled down by the tech. Don't let the tech stress you out. Just get in touch with the tech mind and book your free call, and I'll walk you through it hand by hand. All right, you guys have a good week, and I'll see you next time. I'll put the link in the description below to book the call with me. All right, peace.